Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel again. Today we find ourselves with a new episode of our series Trading for Beginners 2026, and exactly with the 8th episode, which will talk in about sessions, trading sessions. So first of all, before talking about sessions, let's first of all define what is time in trading. So time in trading is extremely important. It goes hand in hand with price. Markets don't move the same way all day. Some hours are slow while others are fast. Some hours can bring stronger movement, more liquidity, and better trading opportunities. So time is really important. Speaking personally, in the strategy that I will share with you in the next days, time goes hand in hand with price. So basically, we have multiple criteria before taking a trade, and from those criteria, like half of those criteria are about time. Which time are we going to take that trade, and which time we are going to skip it? So now, let's continue our lesson. Throughout the day, we have three main trading sessions. We start with the Asian session that starts from 7 p.m. market open until 4 a.m. New York time. It's the first session of the day, low volatility compared to the other sessions, and price often ranges and consolidates and creates liquidity targets for the next sessions. It's better for the JPY, Australian dollar, and New Zealandian dollar pairs, like for example GBP, JPY, Australian dollar, USD, NZD, USD, and all those pairs that contain a Asian pair in them. We pass to the second session. Our next session is London session that starts from 4 a.m. until 9 a.m. New York time. It's traded mainly by European traders. Volatility starts increasing more than in Asian session. And strong moves sometimes can begin in London session and can happen actually in London session. And it's good for forex mainly and for gold as well. And now we find ourselves with our third and last session, which is the New York session that starts, of course, from 9 a.m. and the open is at 9:30 until 6 p.m. closure time. It's the most volatile session of the day, and it's divided to two parts: the AM session and the PM session. I personally treat them both, and I will show you strategies that works depending on the which half are you in New York session. In this session as well, strong liquidity enters the market and big moves often happens in this session. And it's the best for trading NQ and ES and gold pairs and Forex as well, because it's the most volatile session. So this is all for our episode today. It's a short episode. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with Sunday weekly analysis as every time. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great ending of day.